Yeah, I'm not onion getting in my eye. They cut up some onion and thing.
Oh.
So yeah, deal.
They did a reason with the people them earlier, you know me that. No, you know what to do out here. You know what I mean?
Easy no man, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
I don't know if your head get comfy kick off, but
yeah,
yeah,
man.
do one 10 minutes with a ball, you know, over here to my people. I just a jump on, you know.
Yeah.
Just a jump on.
Yeah.
And yeah, me know you just see me come on and just send me a request, you know. One your people and say, yo, our mad killer me go request you know, so.
No man, nothing now go on, so we prepare for the lose. Remember me tell us to get the creator buckle them from last week.
Oh, so you start selling buckle them, you know.
Yeah, you know East Indian tree over there, cause East Indian money upon it, you know.
Boy, but I prefer for a sweet pepper tree, my dog.
East sweet pepper there and out to still.
The sweet pepper. It's a dog. Me sell sweet pepper still, you know, bro.
Real life.
No, dog, you just asked for that question. You're too serious. I couldn't tell you that lie. Me have only for sweet pepper and I just that try imply that to myself sweet pepper. If you ask me for true, but you just catch me off guard a while ago, man. I can't bother tell a lie on that.
A big thing you go on with, cause next thing the people them start asking how much I pound. You never know.
Oh?
Next
the girl them over. Oh, the girl them over here that support me. That say me all a ship sweet pepper got foreign, you know.
What you mean?
You come like you feel like a joke, brother. So them.
Remember say we can't depend pretty boy thing man when money for make man my dog.
You're mad.
That's what I say. You depend on something them killer. You see me?
Here there with people and them ready for buy now.
Listen me now. You know me I go tell you tell me if you tell people, me go tell you go suck your mother. You see your badge, you give me a galaxy a fight, moderator block the whole Jezebel for my life. Yeah? Come off of this. You come tell me about tell people. Go suck your mother.
The shoe.
You give me nothing now for your badge. Oi, girl, come here. You hear me there, beg two buckle and even would ask me for Guinness more. Move! Not even two buckle you wouldn't give me. You come tell me about ask people. Move, man. Anyway, you hear me that?
Yeah, but that's why I'm a rate virtual, man. You realize what I'm a rate virtual? Yeah, that's why I'm a rate virtual, man. You realize that them man end up with the foolish, bad to bad. Them man, him fix anybody business, man. Him mix up thing with them, man. They call them mother.
What do you know? Come with no money lady, you come ask me about tell. You hear me there, big buckle. You never would have asked me.
And that's even that say, yo, is a Guinness or a jug on your top?
Yeah, you come tell me about tell.
Drop all one Galaxy or two.
With
Let
the
me think
badge.
about the ask. No free ask. Send him on anything my ask, man. I have to send him a Interstellar. Me will make him ask me and me will answer it. Send him a Interstellar.
That me talk about Keisy at least. You ask me what kind of buckle I want.
Team, power tap your life.
Hear me that? Paul, make a run one and make a reach back with the people. Them. You see me?
Alright, go run one of them then. Power tap your life, my team. Please and thanks. Team, we are begging some power tap there on the screen there, please.
Come on, chat. We could use a triple here. Somebody may beg on something for the triple.
Power tap your life, team. Power tap your life.
Rose gold, beg you something for the triple. You can't understand that. You can't understand me. Understand me, I beg a galaxy.
Go triple. Can I use the first triple on my team?
Triple chat.
Can I use the first triple on my team?
Triple chat, triple.
Alright,
Triple.
no.
That way I look at galaxy over here.
Big up.
That we have a money gun, we have a wheel, we have a galaxy, we have nothing
Can
for
I use
the
that
triple.
triple? Oh God, Sean, thank you so much, Sean.
Triple.
Sean, thank you so much.
Come on, chat, use it triple,
Power
use it
tap your
triple.
life, let me think. Power tap your life.
Cute wine, sexy boo, thank you for the roses, but it's gonna take more than that, boy.
Power tap
Thank
your
you.
life.
Gonna take more.
Power tap your life.
Come on, chat.
I'm trying to live me, I beg you some power tap there on the screen there, please. Power tap your life, my team. If you can share up your life, you share up your life, you can repost.
Yes. Rose gold. Now you see my people, I'm not too like the bad ones, so I'm not gonna do this whole lot black. I done mash up 3 of them already, so I'm not gonna do so much in one night. Come on, chat. Push up that square for me there. See that no keys here? You're not gonna tell me what to do. On my life. Block you too. Although you offer me the buckle, but me have to go block you.
Running.
Well, that.
What up your life, me team? Everybody who just join the live, me a big
Come on,
some
push up that square for me, please.
What up your life?
We are big at Galaxy. We are look at Galaxy chat. We are look at Galaxy. Sexy boo, big up. Come on, chat. Push up that square for me there, please.
Alright, team. Power tap the live now. Let's go to ball game.
Yeah, sure.
Can power tap your live?
I'll put something up there.
Can power tap your live, my team? I'm big on a bad repost.
Come on, chat. Push up that square. Chat, we don't have no Galaxy over here. Come on, chat. We are bigger snipe. We are bigger snipe.
Power tap your live, them. Power tap your live, them, my team. Power tap your live.
Chat, we are bigger snipe. Chat, I'm me alone in a dark room over here.
Power tap your live, them, my team.
Come on, chat, we are bigger snipe. Chat, we are look at snipe. Thank you. You take a shame out of me eye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my ladies. Thank
One
you.
more like
Thank you.
that. One more like that. One more like that, team. Come on, chat. Push up.
Thank you, my
Push
team.
up, chat. Push up. Push up. Come on, chat. Push up, team. Push up.
Battery low.
Push up, chat. Push up. Yvette Anderson, big up yourself. Come on, chat. Push up, team. Chat, we don't have no more Galaxy over here.
Huh?
Chat, we have big one more Galaxy chat.
Power off.
Power tap your live, them, my team. Yeah. Me that say to my people, man, now.
Come on, chat. Push up a square.
I'm
Margaret.
begging you some power tap and begging you some share the
Chat, big, we are bigger snipe. Chat, we are bigger snipe. Come on, chat. Snipe this, snipe this, snipe, chat, snipe. Come on, chat. Somebody snipe this, me no team. Come on, chat, on a snipe, snipe. Somebody in a universe. Snipe this, me there. Snipe this, me there, chat. Snipe this, me in a universe. Snipe this in a universe, me there. Please. Come on, chat, on a snipe. Somebody can snipe this team. Somebody can snipe. Boy, we not no gloves over here in a chat. We not win no match to get no gloves. Chat, we look at snipe. We don't have no snipe, chat. Snipe, 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 chat, snipe. Lord have mercy. One of them bad boys snipe day 990. I would have good in a chat. We don't have none. No snipe.
Thank you. Virtual assistant, me nah no smoke, dog. I know my people in the reaching I live, dog.
I don't have none neither, man, my brother. But bless up, same way. You hear that?
Yeah, man, bro. Bless up yourself and go and do right, you know, bro, God. Fully.
Tiffy Diva, big up yourself to the Galaxy there. Alright? Everybody, thank you, no. Margaret Edwards, holy for love. Remember, you can't program me in a dog. Cute wine, big up yourself. Remember, you can't program me over here in a dog. You don't know that by now.
Why, bro?
Boy, nothing now go on in my brother. What go on?
Same here, bro. Man, I really got no smoke for the night, bro. Feel like I fall off.
Not even. Yeah, well, he never had to fall off. Yeah, they are run one.
Yeah, bro. We can run a trial match and see how it go.
Yeah, I'm even put up 1,000 over here, my boy. Yeah, even put up 1,000. You try back it out. You see it, Margaret? You try back it out, chat. Come on, chat. I can push up the score here. We don't get no speed, you know. Chat, we don't have no Galaxy. Come on, chat. We are looking at 8 more Galaxy chat. 8 more. 8 more. Push up the score for me there, please. Pay battery over here, God bless. Pay battery. Chat, push up, team. Push up. Push up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, chat,
Yeah, man, you want chat.
Come on, chat. Push up, team. Push up. Chat, push up the score, team. Push up the score. Push up, chat. Push up. Chat, a pay butter where a butter chat. Chat, we can't even put up 1,000 over here. Chat, we are like a whale. Chat, nobody over here have a whale. Chat, we don't have a whale. Nothing now go on, chat. Chat, we can't get a whale or a Galaxy chat. Bobby the Baker, thank you so much. Thank you, Bobby the Baker. Boy, it rough. Bobby the Baker, thank you. Nothing not true tonight, auntie. Nothing at all. Come on, chat. We'll look at next one, chat. We need 7 more Galaxy. 7 more we need. 1 more like that, chat. Chat, we don't have a whale. Chat, we don't have a whale. We don't have no more Galaxy. We don't have no money gun, chat. We don't have a Galaxy. We don't have a whale. Come on, chat. Push up same way. Push up. Push up same way, chat. I could try. I don't know where good. See them, man. That's why I tell you, I don't know Margaret, you see it? No, where my blessing I come from, you know? Boy, I never beg you nothing yet, you know? Never beg you yet. I mean, I want to start tonight. You never give me nothing. Bobby the Baker. See blessing you, man? I know where that come from, you know? Nicky. I know where the blessing I come from. Boy, Nicky me over here, butter. Butter. Ashen on no gloves. Bobby the Baker, thank you so much.
It's team I got you. The hell? We are winners.
Oh. So is Mooney's. Mooney's are winners.
Okay.
Yeah. What if I told you we're the real winners?
I think we played the last time and that wasn't the result with you.
We've played many times, and many times, yes, that was the result. Do you recall?
Well, the past doesn't really reflect in my brain very well, you know? Yeah.
The past.
Yeah.
So the only time it does reflect well is when you remember winning, but not us, the tens of times.
No. I just remember the last time, but the times way beyond that, like, it's so hard to register up here. I can't I'm like, did she win me though? Like,
Yes.
you know? Yeah, I can't really recall. So you gotta prove yourself in order to reclaim your title, okay?
I don't have to prove anything. I already have my title.
No.
Yes, I do. That's why Matt lives rent-free in your mind. You know who Matt is.
Who is Matt?
Oh, no, you're not going to play that game. You're not going to play that game. Oh.
No. Oh, there's a guy over there. His name is Matt.
Yeah. As if you forgot. As if you have forgotten. You were talking crap on his name.
Me? Oh, hey Matt. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're broke or, well, technically you're part of the moon teams. I know, maybe, but bless up, bro. What's popping? You good? Team,
Oh, God.
recharge, team.
Should we cook him, guys? Should we cook him?
Recharge, my team. Recharge, my ladies. We are big on our push.
Should we cook him, guys? Let's freaking cook him, guys. I want to cook him, yo.
I think they're saying no. They're scared as hell.
My people are not saying no. They're saying let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, they're saying let's go.
I thought they were scared for a minute.
You think the Moonies are scared? Yeah, the Moonies are never scared. Let's go.
Send them requests. Do it. Let's do it.
All right, Moonies, we got this, guys. Come on.
We got this. First triple. Team, first double. We have to dominate this. We don't know when we're going to get a triple. We are begging for some help. We have to go. Empty the clip. We are begging to empty the clip on a serious match this in a team. We can't play that match. A serious match this team. We need gloves. We need everybody on the next double. Go, my ladies. Go on the double. 11 nuggets how we need them. 11 nuggets chatter we need them. Marshilla, thank you. 11 nuggets how we need them, team. 11 nuggets how we need them. 11 nuggets how we need them. Use up a double. Tracy, thank you, team. 11 nuggets. Nobody feel like she go crazy. Me, I tell you, our team's strong. So, and big up yourself. Me need everybody help, team. Jesus Christ, no. We need everybody help. Who have gloves in my chat? Come in, team. A tango, we have a tango now, you know. Angie, thank you. A war, we there now, you know. Know that, though. A tango, we have a tango now. Who have gloves in my chat, team? Who have gloves in my chat, team? Alright, mommy. Keep it. Who else have gloves? How much gloves you have, moms? 1 or 2? Who else have gloves? Joey Jones, thank you. Team can be gonna one more money gonna and take this off of me. Me. I beg on some help. Now one match we are playing now. Alright then. Who else have our next gloves? Mommy, me I go want the gloves there on the 30. Caroline, thank you. We are going to want the gloves there in 30 seconds. Authentic, holy for love, you know. We are want the gloves there in 30 seconds here. Or pan speed. Yes, we can. Thank you. Shan, thank you. Holy for love, you know, Shan. Pamela. Thank you, Pamela. Holy for love, you know, Pamela. Taps and rose, team. Rule, thank you. Who else have a gloves? More of my people have gloves, you know. Share up a live to Moni G and them and see if them have gloves because they were here with me. Who else other from Twiggy have gloves?
Oh, speak up yourself. One, you know.